Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to assign keyboard shortcuts to keys of your G305 X mouse. First of all, we have to connect our mouse to the computer and launch the G-Hub application here. Then we're gonna have to select our mouse in the main menu, then go to Assignments on the sidebar, and here, in order to assign a keyboard shortcut, we have to use this command section. Here you'll find most of the available shortcuts. And in order to assign it to your button, you simply have to drag and drop it next to the button you want to assign it to. Now, if I press this button, I will lock my PC, which I don't want to do right now. Maybe let's open task view using it. Okay. So we did, and if you don't see your shortcut in here, you can create a shortcut using macros menu. Just open it, create new macro, name it your own shortcut, give it no repeat value, click start now, record keystrokes, and then record the macro, record the shortcut that you want to use. For example, Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. Then let's assign this macro here, and it is supposed to open Task Manager, but it's not always working. For some reason, it sometimes opened the Start menu instead of a Task Manager. In such case, we just have to re-record the shortcut. Let's try once again. Okay, and now it did it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.